Hello, my name is Monika Lenat and I work for Centrala. Centrala is a vibrant art and community space located in the heart of Dibes. Centrala supports Eastern and Central European communities and brings people together through art, culture and activism. Centrala hosts amazing exhibitions, live music, talks and workshops. It's a place where local and international artists share bold, thought-provoking work. Whenever you are into contemporary art, community events or just want to explore something new, Centrala is open to everyone. Centrala brings new approach to St. Andrew's and Andrzejki. We educate children and families about habits, but we also empower families and women.
Today we're learning about Andrzejki, a special Polish tradition celebrated in November. Andrzejki, or St. Andrew's Eve, is a night full of fortune-telling and fun. Andrzejki has roots in ancient Slavic customs and Christian beliefs. It started many years ago as a way for young women to learn about their future husbands. Andrzejki became a fun, magical evening for everyone, full of old superstitions, symbols, and cultural rituals. One of the most famous customs is wax pouring. Another game is the shoe race.
My name is Lora Krasteva. I'm a performance maker and cultural producer. In Redditch, I worked with a group of fantastic women playing and getting in our bodies and using devising techniques to create a few scenes inspired by the rituals of St. Andrew's.
Reimagine Redditch is a Creative People and Places project which is funded by the Arts Council, and it's really important that the work that we do here is co-created by the communities within Redditch. So this has been a really important project, and it's been quite a long project working with Monika and Centrala, and it's just really important that we have this work here so that we can bring people together, form a community, get people to make better connections, to have a sense of pride, and also re-explore traditions that may or may not have been passed down. So yeah, it's always wonderful working on these projects, and long may it continue.